Hey everyone! Today, we will be comparing two top-rated air fryers, the Chefman Small Air Fryer and the Instant Vortex 4-in-1. We will be evaluating both products in different categories and ultimately helping you make the best decision for your needs. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. When it comes to health features, both air fryers are winners, as they are designed to create a healthy fried finish with little to no oil. However, the Chefman air fryer ensures at least 98% less oil is used. With a temperature range from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and manual temperature control, the Chefman really gives you the control to cook at your desired temperature. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 provides even crisp technology that drives airflow top-down, which gives you a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. It comes with one-touch smart programs for you to customize your program for roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cinnamon buns, and more. So both air fryers have their unique health features. When it comes to cooking capacity, both air fryers have their own advantages. The Chefman air fryer is compact, making it perfect for any small kitchen, dorm, office, RV trips, and more. It is ideal for those who want to fry food for 1 to 2 people. With a detachable BPA-free basket and cool touch exterior, this air fryer is safe and secure. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 has a larger capacity, making it perfect for preparing side dishes, appetizers, and wings for your family. You can cook faster with little to no preheating time, and the air fry basket and tray are non-stick and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. So depending on your cooking capacity needs, you can either go for the Chefman or Instant Vortex 4-in-1. Safety is a top priority when it comes to kitchen appliances, and both air fryers have built-in safety features to put your mind at ease. The Chefman air fryer is CETL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. It comes with an auto shut-off feature, which ensures added safety and security. With detachable BPA-free basket and cool touch exterior, you don't have to worry about getting burnt. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 has overheat protection and auto-off feature, which keeps your mind at ease while cooking your favorite meals. So both air fryers have their unique safety features. Energy efficiency is an important aspect to consider when purchasing kitchen appliances. The Instant Vortex 4-in-1 utilizes up to 60% less energy than traditional electric ovens, while air fryers in general uses less energy than conventional ovens. The Chefman air fryer doesn't specifically mention energy efficiency in its marketing statements. So, based on energy efficiency, the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 has a slight edge here. When it comes to price, both air fryers are priced the same at $39, so the price aspect is not a concern if you are looking to choose between the two. That's it. We have evaluated both air fryers in different categories, and it ultimately comes down to your personal preference and needs. If you want a compact air fryer that focuses on manual control and space saving, go for the Chefman Small Air Fryer. If you want an air fryer with a large cooking capacity and various pre-programmed settings, go for the Instant Vortex 4-in-1. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching.